What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Exploring the Outdoors. I'm Tim, and that right there is Bandit. And I'm gonna show you all my power system, how I stay charged up when I'm out enjoying the outdoors and stuff, because, you know, we kind of do the more glamping stuff. You know, we got the refrigerators and things like that, and lights and everything, and we got to keep our stuff charged up, our phones and everything, for uploading videos like this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little tour of what I got set up on my truck, and it's gonna get changed eventually, but right now it works pretty well. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. So first off, you can see there's a big solar panel right there. So we'll raise it up. That's a 200 watt Bougerv 9BB solar panel, and it does really well. That solar panel is connected right here with these MC4 connectors. It comes down to the pillar on my bed rack, and it goes around into this big old box that you see up here. You see the wires going right here at the bottom to the drain plug. So let me climb up in here. This big old box has got two 12 volt 100 amp hour lithium Power Queen batteries. On top, it's held on by double-sided tape right now, but this is the Renogy Adventurer charge controller, and it is Bluetooth. You see a little Bluetooth guy over here. All right, and I'll show you the screen for that. So I'm getting anywhere from 75 to almost 200 watts of power from the solar panel up there. I do have a Renogy 40 amp DC to DC charger, but it is not hooked up on the truck yet. So right now I'm just running strictly off of solar. And if you look down here at this, you see the solar cable's going in, but you got this black cable coming out. So what I did right there is I made a long cable that plugs into the solar port on the side of my EcoFlow River. So basically I expanded my river with those two batteries over there. So basically, using these two batteries up here and this extension cable I made right here, I am plugged into the solar port on the EcoFlow River, and I'm keeping the EcoFlow River charged with those two batteries, which are being charged by the solar panel up on the roof. So I've made a big battery extension for this thing, and because this thing has the Bluetooth controls in there to turn stuff on and off, I can use it from the tent to control lights and whatnot up there. And that cable is also long enough, if I need to, I can run it all the way up into the tent and have the whole thing up there in the tent. So, I mean, I've made a 2788 watt hour system, which is easily expandable by adding more batteries in this box, and I could probably put another 3 batteries in there. I don't really think I need to, but I may add a 3rd battery. You never know. And I use this setup right here to run my Zero Breeze too, and my diesel heater. So it works really well, and it doesn't use up all the power. And when I use this for my Zero Breeze, I have a way to hook up the Zero Breeze. So I'm also using the Zero Breeze battery along with this guy and those two batteries over there. So I have a huge system because I'm adding another 840 watt hours into it. So I have over 3,000 watt hours to run my system on. And it'll run the Zero Breeze for like 14 hours or more, which you don't need it to run for 14 hours because you're just using it while you sleep. So like 8 hours, maybe 10. But anyway, that's my little power system that I got built up. It's pretty simple to make. It's not a hard process, and it does really well and keeps me powered up while I'm on the road. And I'll be using it while I'm gone too, because I also have a Starlink, which I think uses around 70-75 watts when it's pulling power. So we'll see how well it holds up with a Starlink, and we'll see how the Starlink performs going up through the Arkansas and stuff in the forest up there. So we're headed up to the Moore Expo. Hope to see y'all there. Come by the Zero Breeze booth. Check us out. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to the channel. Also, go to the links. Go check out my website. It's pretty cool. I got a lot of stuff listed on there. I have a lot of power stations, different power stations listed on there. You can go scroll through and find you some cool stuff. Anyway, take it easy, and we'll see you on the road. Later.